Hello friend, how are you? So I am making another quick and easy card, and this time I'm showcasing this abstract impression. It does come as a bundle, however, I'm just going to be showcasing the stamp for right now. This is a quick and easy card, and I felt like these are really cute, don't you think? I love all the different sentiments, and I think the font is really cute as well. So anyway, so let's just get started. I have a piece of lovely lipstick, which is one of our brand new ink colors for 2018-2020. And this one is 5.5 by 8.5. Then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is 4 by 1/4. Sorry, 4 1/4 by 2. And then I have 2 scraps of Granny, what is this? Granny Apple Green, which is one of the new colors out of the revamp. I'm still trying to learn all my colors, so just bear with me. But this one is 1/2 inch by 4 1/4. So let's just get started. I am using the lemon lime twist, and we're gonna be doing the grass on these. And whenever this is photopolymer, I use, and let me just do again this section, because somehow I didn't get those stems really well. So once I have, once I'm stamping with the, what is this, photopolymer, I usually have a piece of the foam mat, or in this case, this is the Pierce mat that we sell, and I like having it there because you get a better image. So you saw me doing the lemon lime. Now I'm going to be using the Granny Apple Green, and this is one of those new ink pads. I love that I can see the color. I put the sticker there, and let me just put this one out so that it doesn't fall over me. There we go. And so let me just take this one so you can see it. And these doesn't really line up, but there you go. So you can see it right there. It just adds some dimension to it. Let's just close these so that I don't have any ink marks. And then I'm going to be using the lovely lipstick, which again is one of those new ink pads. And I have here, yes, here we go. I'm going to be using this ones. There we go. There we go. Now for this, I'm going to be using also, and I think it looks just great. Let me see how it looks if I add the very burst. This is just to put some marks on it. You can hardly see it. And voila. So it adds a little bit of the shadow. You can see it here. And we have our piece. So let's just go ahead and let me close this one for a second. Then what I'm going to be doing is add a little bit of the adhesive on the back, and you can use this nail. I still have some of the fast fuse. Once I deplete my stock, I will be moving to his nail, but for the time being, I'm still using this one, and I'm just putting a little bit of this. You can see it here. There we go. Okay. And let's just fold this one in half. And I'm going to put this one here. Now, I want to add something in the background, and I brought over this brand new stamp set that is called Handwritten. It's one of those, what is it called? Background stamps. And so I'm just going to be adding some of that ink color so it is tone on tone. I'm liking it how it looks. And so the only thing that you need to make sure is how it is written. So it's right there. I have a piece of paper. And now I'm going to be adding these. And I'm going to be rubbing it. Try not to move the paper underneath. You're just holding it with one and then rubbing it with the other one. That way your paper doesn't move. And you get a solid image. And then carefully take it off. And voila, you have your background right there. Let me just close again these. So now that I have this section, what did I do with this stamp image? I'm always losing everything. Oh, here. I'm like, what is the deal? So now I can put this and see it adds something. Even though I'm not using any design series paper, it just makes it look really well. And so I'm just gonna add now the stamp image that we just did. And the last thing that I am thinking of adding, and I don't know, I think I might go with the twine, just because I feel like, I don't know that it will look, let's just do one, and let's just decide. I feel like, and this is one of the new ink colors 1/8 grass grade ribbon. You can see it here. So if I put it like so, well, you know what? It might look nice. So let's just cut it out and see. If not, then I can use it in another card. How do you like it? Do you like it here? Do you like it there? Or, sorry about that. I can use a little, I can do a little bow. Okay, using the white solid twine. I'm excited to see that this didn't retire, because I think I use it more and more nowadays. And so let's just think this. I just need to pull a little bit here, pull a little bit there, and then cut it. Let's see. I think I like this one better. I think it pop up more. If I use this one, it has to go somewhere here, and I think it's too busy. So I'm gonna stick with the little bow, because I can put it here, and I think it pops better. So after you have made it, you just put a little glue dot, and we're gonna add it here, and that's it. So hopefully you liked it. Really quick, easy, very simple. And so anyway, don't forget to, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll try to post regularly there. And also, don't forget about my ordering incentive, where when you place an online order with me using the hostess code of the month, you get a card kit to make 4 cards. And I'll send everything, paper, designer, paper, cardstock, anything, except the stamping. You'll have to provide the stamping, but you can substitute with whatever you have. And also, if your order is $50 or more, then you also get the accessory of the month, which could be twine, ribbon, some of the faceted dots, rhinestones. It could be anything. And so, anyway, so you do remember you have to use the hostess code, and you'll find out that hostess code on my blog at creatingwithali.com. I'll have a link to the blog at the description of this video, as well as all the products that I use on this video so you can recreate it. Okay, thank you so much, and see you soon.